15-second board is up. We're getting ready. Here are your pro riders. 15-second board is up. We're getting ready. Pro open. Here is CCH FC Moto Motocross track. 5 seconds and counting. Hey! We have a race. Whole shot by rider number 5.
We have Ralph Ramento, whole shot.
Ralph Ramento
Got the whole shot.
got the whole shot.
Oh, and we have in the first corner, Bornok Mangosong and Kenneth Crash.
Oh, it's Bornok and Kenneth. I think they're on the first corner. Nandun pa ba? Nakatayo na.
Nakatayo na.
Alright, so ito, medyo malayo nga habulin ni Bornok from
Second to the last.
Oh, second to the last from Team Yamaha Enios Defensil Alcohol. Mitch Rivera, tingin ko nakakawala from Koji-san. Koji-san Aussie Racing Team. So, eto na. So, sino to? Si Ralph Ramento pa rin ba? Leading natin.
Yeah, so leading is number 237, Ralph Ramento, no?
Yes, rider number 237, Ralph Ramento. Rider number 5, that's Jesse Pineda. So, tingnan po natin dito. Yan na. Larry that double.
Second is rider number 236, that's Mitch Rivera from Koji-san Aussie Racing.
So, eto na mga kaibigan. We can see JC Reliosa trying to battle out. Mitch Rivera from Koji-san Aussie Racing is on second. On third, I think that's DJ Dablo on third. Bornok Mangosong is top 12. So, nasa panlabing-dalawa na si Bornok Mangosong. Remember guys, this is a 12-lap race. Anything can happen.
Yes. It's a long, pressuring race, no? Anything can happen. Bilog yung gulong, ika nga nila.
Sabi nga nila, kung sa basketball, bilog ang bola.
Yes.
Dito sa motocross, bilog ang gulong. Pero tama pa rin yung sinasabi ng iba, Kayoyong. Pagka daw oblong yung gulong, sasabihin nila may tama. Pero mali naman yun. Di ba? Alright, Ralph Ramento, the diesel. He's on the lead from FJ Moto Racing Team. FJ Moto Enduro. Medyo lumalayo si Ralph Ramento kay Mitch Rivera. Here comes Ralph Ramento, home court advantage. Followed by the gentleman from General Santos City from Koji-san Aussie Racing. He's now on third. Sino itong third natin? Tingnan natin. Here comes Ralph Ramento. Mitch Rivera, rider number 4. Rider number 21, that's DJ Dablo.
So running order, we have Ralph Ramento at first. Second is Mitch Rivera. Third is BJ Dablo. Fourth is Derek Mitra.
Yes, Derek Mitra. So nakita natin, puro young guns pa rin to. McLean, no? Puro bata ito. So ayan, so Kenneth San Andres also joining the party. Grabe ang ligabok dito. Para tayo binuhusan ng pulbos dito sa area natin.
Oo nga po, ganito pala itsura pag nanonood.
Yan, oo. Kung tingin nyo mas nakalikabok ko kayo, medyo malikabok din sa amin. Especially the 450 machines are very, very powerful. So when they open the throttle, talagang tanggal lahat yung alikabok doon sa area nila. tama lahat sa atin.
So we have Ralph Romento leading, and I believe he's gapping Mitch Rivera, no?
Yes, a very huge gap. So it's just a matter of consistency and endurance, no?
And knowing Ralph Romento, the diesel, I think he's gonna be more consistent than anybody in this track.
Here comes the pro riders. Pero ang inaabangan nila rito, tinitignan nila kung nasan si Bornok Mangosong.
Yes, so Kuya Bornok Mangosong is now at 6 and umahabol na siya, no?
So ayan,
Sixth
pumapangkanin
position
na.
na, 6. From second from the last, right?
Yes.
From
So after entangled with Kenneth San Andres, pagtayo nila, pang 12 si Bornok, humabol. Ngayon, nasa pang-anim na. So tingnan natin from the king himself. Let's check it out.
Yeah, so the man to beat in this class is Bornok Mangosong, and he's running up the field, and he's doing a good work and catching up against the guys in front, no?
So double time siya, double
Yes,
time.
double.
Double time. Pero tinitignan ko, hinahanap ko rito si Buboy Antonio. So nasa na kaya si Buboy Antonio rito? Because he was the first placer in the last
round.
tennis club.
Yes.
Oo.
I think he's at 5th in front of Bornok right now.
Nakikita natin, mas lumalayo si Ralph Romento from Mitch Rivera, from Koji-san, Aussie Racing Team. So, Kenneth, here comes Ralph Romento from FJ Moto Enduro, the man from Marikina.
Oh, rider down, 5th place, Boboy Antonio.
Rider down.
So, Buboy Antonio going down on that corner.
Oh, also BJ Dablo, I believe.
Oh, here comes Bornok Mangosong. So, dalawa yung nawala sa harapan.
Dalawa yung nawala. Running order now is Kuya Bornok Mangosong is at 3rd.
Wow, Bornok Mangosong is now on 3rd spot.
Jeric Mitra at 4th. David Viterbo at 5th.
So, ayun na. Nagbago na, mga kaibigan.
Yes.
Tama ka, Mel. Ang karera, parang gulong.
Parang gulong lang yan. Oo.
Anything can happen in this sport.
Yes. But still, consistency is the...
Yes. Consistency is the key factor
Yeah.
in this 12-lap race, no? Matagal-tagal tong karerang to.
So, yung number ni Jeric Mitra, ano ba number ni Jeric Mitra ngayon? Kasi according to my list, he's rider number 144.
Yes,
Yes,
rider number
144.
144, but his bike number is bike number 87.
87, alright. So, running first is Ralph Romento, followed by Rich Rivera. Rider number 111 is Bornok Mangosong, and rider number 87, that is Mitra.
Yes, Jeric Mitra.
So, on 5th, who is running 5th? That's David Viterbo.
Yes.
Alright, here we go. Into the backstretch. It is still Ralph Romento from FJ Moto Enduro. He's on first. Wow, Mitch Rivera is now getting closer. Ito na, dumidikit na si Mitch Rivera from Koji-san, Aussie Racing Team.
And catching up is number 111, Bornok Mangosong, no?
Yes, Bornok Mangosong from Team Yamaha Ineos Defensive.
Koji-san. Koji-san.
Ito, 97. 87, this is Jeric Mitra and David Viterbo now on 5th. Followed by rider number 3, that's John Nagdawan. So yan na po, nakikita na po natin, David Viterbo on the top 5. John Adlawan is rider number 3. Before rider number 3 on Kawasaki, that's Jonathan Howe. So kaya si John Adlawan na po ang sumusunod. After John Adlawan, I think these are the Bandigan brothers. Di ko lang alam kung si Don to o si ano. Okay, Kenneth San Andres checking in. Buboy Antonio, checking in.
Oy, I think nagkamali si Ralph.
Ralph
Oh,
Rabeto, where is he?
Based from the monitor. Ayun, nakuha si Ralph Rabeto.
Wow,
ni
yes
Mr. Rivera.
now!
Something's wrong.
Something's wrong with Ralph Rabeto. Hindi na siya
Oh.
tumobol.
Mukhang may mechanical or what?
Pero we have a new leader. We have Mitch Rivera of Koji-san, Aussie Racing Team. He's now on first. So ito, nagbago na naman.
mechanical, no?
Oo, medyo bumagal si Ralph Rabeto. Rider number 4 leading the race. It's now Mitch Rivera, the gentleman from General Santos City. He is now on first. But hindi pa tapos ang laban ni Ralph. Ito naman si Bornok Mangosong sa likuran.
Yes, closing in for second place is 111, Bornok Mangosong.
Yan, so medyo magkalapit na sila ni Ralph Rabeto.
Battle for second sila ngayon.
Yes, bound for second is Ralph Rabeto and Bornok Mangosong. And we are bar to bar. Bornok Mangosong trying to use that inside. Into the bar, it's now Bornok Mangosong on second. And now targeting Mitch Rivera.
And rider number 15 is flat. Rear tire is flat by Ralph Rabeto.
Oh, naflatan si Ralph Rabeto. Ralph Rabeto with a punctured tire on his rear tire.
Yes.
So, kaya pala bumagal si Ralph Rabeto.
Mechanical trouble talaga.
Oo. Gulong talaga, no?
Yes,
Gulong.
that's why we say bilog talaga. ang
Bilog
gulong.
talaga, gulong. Kasi minsan yung gulong, pag
Napaplat
nagka-problema, yun ang problema.
Hindi na bilog.
Hindi na bilog. Flat na. And of course, we are going to have a very exciting race. We have Mitch Rivera, rider number 4. But here comes the Lion from Davao City. It's Bornok Mangosong, rider number 111. Trying to catch up on the first lap. Here we go. Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangosong.
So sayang, no? Ralph was leading.
Yeah,
in a huge gap.
really.
So, kaya sinasabi
Fulling away na
natin,
siya, fulling away na.
yung 12 laps, mahaba yan.
Yes. So, rider to look at now is rider number 111, Bornok Mangosong.
Yeah,
As you can see, he's
catching up, yeah.
So ito yung sinasabi nating endurance, no? Kung medyo napagod na rin yung rider sa harapan, pwede nang abutin ng nasa likuran. Mitch Rivera on the Yamaha Koji-san Aussie Racing Team motorcycle, followed by rider number 111. That is Bornok Mangosong from Team Yamaha Eneos Defensive Racing Team.
The defensive rider is catching up
Yes, ito na po.
closely.
At nakikita natin dito si By Rage, medyo kinakabahan na rito. He has the two riders in front of the field.
Yes, the guys in front are the riders to beat in this class.
So kanina pinag-uusapan natin. Actually, we have two riders that you have to watch out for. But of course, not to mention out, that's Buboy Antonio, the winner of the first leg. Pero ito, mukhang bumawi itong dalawang to kasi in the Teves Cup, the round 1, nagkatamaan itong dalawang to, kaya medyo nahuli talaga.
Kaya nakalusot si Buboy Antonio.
Oo, kaya nakapasok si Buboy Antonio. Pero, of course, bata pa to si Buboy, no? Marami pang experience na makukuha to. Marami pang pwede mangyari. But right now, we have a battle brewing between two riders from Mindanao.
Yeah,
So,
so as you can see, Bornok Mangosong is right behind Mitch Rivera right now.
Wow. Very fast pace
Yes,
for
he-
Bornok, ha?
yes, pero ito, within striking distance ni Bornok to.
Oo.
Striking this. So he made up so much time from...
Ayan na!
Ito na.
He did double time, triple time.
Ayan na, nag-inside si Bornok!
Just to catch up, ha?
Yes,
Triple time.
Triple time. Gumagamit na ng berm si Bornok Mangosong, trying to keep that momentum para hindi mawala yung speed.
Ayan na.
Ito na! Ito the start-finish na. We have Bornok Mangosong, Mitch Rivera, battling out for the open production. Into that finish line jump. Into the inside. Bornok Mangosong trying to get that advantage. Into the tabletop. We have two riders from Mindanao. One from Jensen and one from Davao. We have the Koji-san Aussie Racing rider battling out with the Team Yamaha Eneos Defensive Alcohol Team. Into that jump. We're getting ready.
Yes, knowing Kuya Bornok, no, a very experienced rider, babasahin lang niya si Mitch right now. And he's gonna wait until he can pull the trigger.
Yeah. Just waiting for the right moment and right time.
Yes, waiting for the right moment.
Medyo puro umalikabok na. Hindi ko na mapansin itong dalawang to. But I think they are very close. Here we go.
Grabe yung habol na yun,
Ayan,
di ba?
Ayan na.
I think, ito na.
Bornok Mangosong, bar to bar.
Yup.
Into the inside. It's now. Oh, Bornok Mangosong. Into that jump. Bornok Mangosong. Grabbing that lead. From dead last. Grabe. Dead last. Humabol. Naging pang 12. Naging pang 6. Naging pangatlo. Now is challenging Mitch Rivera on that double jump. Nakuha sa inside, and that is where Bornok Mangosong shines as the king. Here we go. Bornok Mangosong. He is now leading the race.
Yes, as you can see, Bornok Mangosong doing the inside line where everyone's doing outside.
The outside, yeah.
So, sabi ni Ted Conde rito, is ito yung defensive line.
Yes.
Pero nung mga oras na yun kanina, para Burb, naghahabol. So, yun yung fast line for now. But of course, pag lagi ka na umi-inside, medyo yung energy mo, napapagod ka kasi
More
yung awat.
energy
Oo.
used to stop the bike.
So, eto na. We have Bornok Mangosong. After how many laps pa, we can see I think the white flag is now getting ready.
That's what you can't pay for, no? Yung experience ng rider.
Yes, tama nga sabi niya ni J1 kanina, yung experience kasi, hindi Bornok, talagang nandun. And that you can see, talagang grabe ang bakbakan ni Mitch Rivera at saka ni Bornok Mangosong. And considering that they are both in Mindanao.
Yeah. And for Ralph, it's about the preparation of the machine.
Opo.
So preparation of machine is also very important.
Ito, right now, Bornok Mangosong is now breaking away from Mitch Rivera. So we have two riders being sponsored by Koji-san, no? The Koji-san by Mitch Rivera and the Defensil Alcohol by Bornok Mangosong. Yeah, Bornok Mangosong. Another good thing about this rider, no? Nanggaling pa ng Mindanao to.
Yes, he had the trail on Friday.
Ayan. And of course, talagang the experiences
Actually,
there.
Bornok last Friday, off-road ride pa siya.
Opo, nag-trail
With
pa po
Senator.
sa Davao.
Here we go, Bornok Mangosong, rider number 111 from Team Yamaha Ineos Racing Team. Defensil Racing Alcohol, and here we got the last lap for Bornok Mangosong and the last lap for Mitch Rivera of the Koji-san Aussie Racing Team.
So I think Bornok made around 20 seconds, no? He made up around 20 seconds because the rider, they were at the back straight now when
Yeah.
he was rolling in the first corner.
At,
Grabe.
mukhang aabutin na rin yung mga lapper, no? So, iba yung pace ng takbo ng Rivera and Bornok Mangosong riders, no? Iba.
Sabi ko nga kay Maclean, nung naghabol si Bornok, he should do a double time. Pero nangyari, triple time ang ginawa.
Kaya 111. Kasi actually, the rider that I know, rider number 111, is from World Moto XGP, the South African Greg Albertine. Greg Albertine is rider number 111 on a Suzuki. But the second time that I see rider number 111 is now on a Yamaha by Bornok Mangosong.
Here in the Philippines.
Here in the Philippines. Ayan. So kasi ang ibig sabihin ng 111 kay Greg Albertine is a triple na
One-time champion.
MXGP champion. Kaya triple 1. So tatlong 111.
So Kuya Bornok, takes a whole lot of preparation to catch up to the field, no?
Yeah.
Both
Sobra,
mental
oo.
and endurance. And as you can see, he's pulling away from second place Mitch Rivera.
Yes, here we go for the last few corners, for a couple of corners. Ladies and gentlemen, the gentleman from Davao City, from Team Yamaha Ineos Defensil Alcohol Racing Team, and the master and the king, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bornok Mangosong. Followed by rider number 4, the gentleman from General Santos City, from Koji-san Aussie Racing, Mitch Rivera.
So congrats to the top 3 winners, no? But most especially to Bornok Mangosong, who made a comeback ride.
Third placer, I think that's Bumoy Antonio and David Viterbo on fourth.